Hi, my name is Nef, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can send music or videos or photos via Bluetooth. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your Bluetooth and make sure Bluetooth is scanning is on. And you see here available devices. You want to click Samsung Galaxy S7 or whatever device you have named here. You see confirm passkey is 105331. It's the same on this device, and make sure it's the same, because if it's not, it won't pair the device. So click OK on both devices, and from here you want to find the music you want to send, but you do not need an app, because all the videos you see on YouTube require an app. You do not need an app. So now you want to search for the music or video or photo you want to send, like this. I'm going to send two files, a music file and a picture. And you want to click this button right here, the one that looks like a V. And it says share via Bluetooth, email, Gmail, save to drive, upload to photos, or Wi-Fi direct. You want to click Bluetooth. And you want to click on the paired device. It says sending to file to Samsung. You see right here, file transfer, and the file name. You want to click accept, and right here it says receiving, and there should be one that says sending. So right here it says file receiving, but for as many files as you have, it will download like this. The audio file was downloading, and then the picture is downloading. So as many files as you have, it will download them one by one. So now both files are sent. I'm going to click on them to give you a preview that it's sent. See right here, both are sent. One, I'm going to do the audio first. And now I'm going to show you the picture. And you see right here, the photo got sent, and you can zoom in and zoom out. So that's it for this video, guys. Please like and subscribe for more how-to videos like these ones. Bye.